Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can measure the distance between two or more objects in the Affinity Designer using the measurement tool. So let us get started. So head over to your design on Affinity and then insert your objects like an image or a text box or a shape. And as you can see, there's a space between these, and there's also a tool that will allow you to measure the distance in a specific measurement unit. So to do that, navigate to the measurement tool here on the left hand side, left click into it. And then you may, for example, use the area tool or the measure tool. I will go with the measure tool to measure the distance. Then left click into the first object or into its border here, and then hold your left mouse, and as you can see, guys, it will you can for example make that endpoint here snap to the second object like this. Release your left mouse and then you will see the exact distance here, which is 40.9 millimeters, not milliliters, millimeters of course. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.